This is the demo for AWS Glue plugin. Let's go to Workload Designer, create new job definition. We'll select AWS Glue here. Let's give the name AC02. We'll have to select a workstation. In the connection part, we have access ID, secret access key, AWS region, and role ARN, using which we can authenticate to AWS. Let's pass these values. Test connection is successful. In the action part, we have option to select the workflow, available workflows in the AWS Glue. And if we want, we can pass runtime properties for the workflow to be ran. Let me select this one. We can save the job. I'll submit it. The job has been submitted. It's an executing phase. It might take some time to complete. It depends on how the workflow has been configured. If the workflow has more entities, like more number of triggers, crawlers, etc., it might take more time. So let's wait for this to be completed. Okay, the job run has been completed. Now we can see the job log. If we see the job log, we have the details like access key, region, role ARN, etc. And these are the status. Uh, Workflow started with this ID, and here we are monitoring the states. Like we have trigger, state is created. Likewise, we have crawler with this state. We have another crawler. There were no jobs. Likewise, we have monitored the state, and once the workflow has been completed, we have data like workflow name, previous run ID, status, started time, current run ID, etc. And in the output properties, we have access key, region, role layer, and run ID, workflow, status, etc. So that's all. Thank you.